Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make some amazingly delicious gingerbread men. Into a large bowl, I'm going to get all of my nice butter, and this butter is salted. That's good. And then all of our nice molasses, and I did heat this up in the microwave just for a couple of seconds. When it's warm, it flows out of your little bowl a lot easier. So just a little bit of heat. You don't want it super hot, just warm. That's good. And then our brown sugar. That's good. Then we'll bring in our little hand mixer. And let's just get all of this mixed up. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to add in my egg. And that's just going to help with the creaming process. Okay, that's good. So we have our all-purpose flour, cinnamon, ginger, baking soda, and baking powder. And then let's just sift all of this in. And then just push. Get all those little pieces. Perfect. And then we'll grab our mixer. Speed number 1. And we're going to slowly start mixing all of this together. You can see how quickly this is coming together. And this smells amazing with all those spices in there. Just look into the bottom of the bowl, make sure everything is nicely mixed together. And that looks good. And then just lift, clean off your beaters. And that is it for the recipe. We'll get our plastic wrap down. And then we'll just get that right on there. And then you want to get this into a disc. Whenever you're chilling dough, never keep it as a ball. You want to get it down into a disc. It's just much easier to roll out, and also the chilling is much more uniform or even. That, we'll close that down. And now we are ready to place that in the fridge. I'll let that sit for about 2 hours, and then we'll roll out some cookies and we'll finish the video off. So here we have the final product. All of these cookies were baked for a total of 12 minutes in my 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. So I brought out my dough, I rolled it out, I cut my little cookies, and then I placed them onto the tray and baked them for 12 minutes. I have 2 left that I do want to decorate right here. I'm going to do 2 little drops for the eyes. And I have these little eyes that I made in another video. You can either go like that, or you can do little chocolate eyes. And I do have a tutorial on how to make those. I'll give them a little bit of a nose and a mouth. So there we have our little gingerbread men. Let me turn that one around. And if you have children, make sure you try these out this holiday season. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, And if you're on Facebook, you can also check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for this really fun video, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.